visible?
Yes, sir.
So I think in previous class we have to discussed about the complex numbers, right? So once again we go through the definitions which we discussed in the earlier class. The complex number, a number is of the form x plus iota y is called a complex number where x and y are the real numbers, right? We can write it as z is equal to x plus iota y, where in a complex number there are two parts, one is a real part and another is imaginary parts. So imaginary of z, that means the value which is multiple of iota is called imaginary part, and the value x is the real part. So we have to write it as imaginary of z is equal to y and real of z is equal to x. Right? Today we will discuss some examples, some questions based on these definitions and operations on complex numbers. Right? Now the first question is, if z is equal to 2 minus 3 iota, z1 is equal to 2 minus 3 iota and z2 is equal to minus 5 plus 3 iota, if z1 is equal to 2 minus 3 iota and z2 is equal to minus 5 iota, then find 2z1 plus 5z2, right? So the solution, it is given that z1 is a complex number is 2 minus 3 iota and z2 is another complex number minus 5 plus 3 iota. Our target to find 2 into z1 plus 5 into z2 is very simple. 2 into z1 plus 5 into z2. We have to put the value of z1 and z2. 2 into z1, that means 2 minus 3 iota, plus 5 into z2 is minus 5 plus 3 iota. Right? Now, by the multiplication property of a complex number, we multiply the scalar 2 with real part and imaginary part. That means 2 into 2 minus 2 into 3 iota plus 5 into minus 5 plus 5 into 3 iota. Right? Which is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 2 into 3 iota is minus 6 iota. 5 into 5 is 25 and positive into negative is negative, that means minus 25 plus 15 iota. Now 4 is a real, minus 25 is also real, so we have to write together the real parts, 4 minus 25 and minus 6 iota, 15 iota. These are the imaginary, so we are taking common iota from these parts, so it becomes minus 6 plus 15, right? Which is equal to 4 minus 25 is minus 21 plus 15 is 9 iota. So if z1 is equal to 2 minus 3 iota and z2 is equal to minus 5 plus 3 iota, then 2z1 plus 5z2 is again a complex number and the value of this is minus 21 plus 9 iota. Right? Now the next question is, z1 is equal to 3 minus 2 iota and z2 is equal to 4 plus 3 iota. Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate.
सर 4 + 3 आइटा है.
4 plus 3 iota. Okay. There are two complex numbers. Z1 is 3 plus 2 iota and Z2 is equal to 4 plus 3 iota. Find Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate. So first of all, we have to find Z1 conjugate and Z2 conjugate separately, and then we have to multiply these two. So Z1 is equal to 3 minus 2 iota and Z2 is equal to 4 minus 3 iota. These are the given two complex numbers. This implies Z1 conjugate is equal to 3 minus 2 iota its conjugate, right? Which is equal to 3 conjugate minus 2 iota its conjugate, right? But the conjugate of real number is always as it is. So 3 conjugate is equal to 3. And the conjugate of iota, that means for finding the conjugate, we replace iota by minus iota. Then it becomes minus minus plus 2 iota, right? Any doubt up to this?
No, sir.
Okay. Similarly, we have to find Z2 conjugate is equal to 4 plus 3 iota, its conjugate. We can write it as 4 conjugate plus 3 iota conjugate. 4 is a real number, so the conjugate of real number is as it is, there is no change. And for finding the conjugate of the complex number, we replace iota by minus iota, so this 3 iota becomes minus 3 iota, right? Which is equal to 3 plus 2 iota into 4 minus 3 iota, right? We can write it as 3 into 4 minus 3 iota plus 2 iota into 4 minus 3 iota is equal to 3 into 4 is 12 minus 3 into minus 3 iota is minus 9 iota plus 2 iota into 4 is 8 iota or minus 6 iota square, right? Which is equal to 12 minus 9 iota plus 8 iota, it becomes minus iota, minus 6 into iota square is minus 1, which is equal to 12 minus iota plus 6 is equal to 18 minus iota. Same question can be asked in another way, that if Z1 is equal to 3 minus 2 iota and Z2 is equal to 4 plus 3 iota, then prove that Z1 into Z2, its conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate, right? So in this case, first of all, we have to find the conjugate of Z1 and Z2. So Z1 is equal to 3 minus 2 iota. This implies Z1 conjugate is equal to 3 plus 2 iota. Z2 is equal to 4 plus 3 iota. This implies Z2 conjugate is equal to 4 minus 3 iota, right? Now, we need to find the product of Z1 and Z2. So Z1 into Z2 is equal to 3 minus 2 iota into 4 plus 3 iota. We can write it as 3 into 4 plus 3 iota minus 2 iota into 4 plus 3 iota, which is equal to 12 plus 9 iota minus 8 iota or minus 6 iota square, which is equal to 12 plus 9 iota minus 8 iota, that means plus iota, or minus 6 into minus 1 is equal to 12 plus 6, 18 plus iota. Now we need Z1 into Z2 whole conjugate is equal to 18 plus iota its conjugate, which is equal to 18 minus iota. Put it equation number 1, right? And next part we have to find Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate, which is equal to Z1 conjugate is 3 plus 2 iota and Z2 conjugate is 4 minus 3 iota is equal to 3 into 4 minus 3 iota plus 2 iota into 4 minus 3 iota, 12 minus 9 iota plus 8 iota minus 6 iota square, which is equal to 12 minus iota minus 6 into minus 1 is equal to 18 minus iota. This implies Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate is equal to 16 minus iota. Put it equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we see Z1 into Z2, its conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate. Right? So this is the property that if we multiply the two conjugate numbers and then find its conjugate is always equal to the multiplication of their conjugates separately. मतलब दोनों का हम मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर कॉन्जुगेट निकाल लें या पहले कॉन्जुगेट निकाल करके और फिर मल्टीप्लाई करें, द वैल्यू विल बी रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. राइट? So the next question, if Z1 is equal to 3 plus 4 iota and Z2 is equal to 5 minus 3 iota, express 5 minus 3 iota, this one is minus 1. Express Z1 by Z2 in the form of A plus iota B. Also find the values of A and B. That means we have to divide the two complex numbers Z1 and Z2 and we have to convert this expression in the form of a complex number, that means A plus iota B, and then find the real and imaginary part. Right? So solution, it is given that Z1 is equal to minus 3 plus 4 iota and Z2 is equal to 5 minus 3 iota. Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to minus 3 plus 4 iota divided by 5 minus 3 iota. Now, numerator is minus 3 plus 4 iota, denominator is 5 minus 3 iota. So, to solution of the complex numbers, in denominator, if there is a imaginary number, we have to rationalize the denominator. So, we multiply 5 plus 3 iota and divide by 5 plus 3 iota. Right? Which is equal to minus 3 plus 4 iota into 5 plus 3 iota divided by 5 minus 3 iota into 5 plus 3 iota, which is equal to minus 3 into 5 plus 3 iota plus 4 iota into 5 plus 3 iota divided by a minus b and a plus b. What will be the formula of a minus b into a plus b? A minus b into a plus b.
A square minus b square.
A square minus b square, right? So here a is 5 and b is 3 iota. So 5 it's a square minus 3 iota it's a square, right? In the next step, minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. Minus 3 into 3 iota is minus 9 iota. 4 iota plus into 5 is plus 20 iota. And 4 iota into 3 iota is plus 12 iota square divided by 25 minus 9. 3 square is 9 and iota square, right? Which is equal to minus 15 minus 9 iota plus 20 iota, it becomes plus 11 iota. 12 into iota square is minus 1, so 12 into minus 1 divided by 25 minus 9 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 15 plus 11 iota minus 12 divided by 25 plus 9, right, is equal to minus 15 minus 12 is minus 27 plus 11 iota divided by 34. We can write it as minus 27 divided by 34 plus iota into 11 divided by 34. Is it right? So we have to express Z1 divided by Z2 in the form of A plus iota B, where A is minus 27 divided by 34 and B is, what will be the value of B? 11 divided by 34, right? So the next question, 3 plus iota into x plus 1 minus iota into y is equal to 1 plus 7 iota find x and y. The given equation is 3 plus iota into x plus 1 minus iota into y is equal to 1 plus 7 iota. We need to find the value of x and y. So 3 plus iota into x plus 1 minus iota into y is equal to 1 plus 7 iota. Our target to make the left hand side in the form of complex number. That means a plus iota b form. And right hand side is also given a plus b iota, a plus iota b form. After that, we have to compare the real and imaginary parts. So our target to make the left hand side as a complex number. So this implies 3 into x plus iota into x plus 1 into y is y minus iota into y is equal to 1 plus 7 iota. This implies 3x plus y. We write together the real part. That means 3x is a real, y is also real. We have to write 3x plus y. Plus, we are taking common iota from these two terms. It becomes x minus y is equal to 1 plus 7 iota. Right? So left hand side is 3x plus y plus iota into x minus y, and right hand side is 1 plus 7 iota. So both sides is in the form a plus iota b. Now comparing real and imaginary parts, we have 3x plus y is equal to 1 and x minus y is equal to 7. Now there are two equations in the two variables x and y. We have to solve these equations and find the value of x and y. Right? We put 3x plus y by equation 1 and put x minus y is equal to 7 by equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we have 3x plus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to 7. Adding these two, y is cancelled with minus y, then 4x is equal to 8. This implies x is equal to 8 by 4 is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. We have 3 into 2 plus y is equal to 1. Because this is equation 1, 3x plus y is equal to 1. We put the value of x is equal to 2. So 3 into 2 plus y is equal to 1. This implies 6 plus y is equal to 1. Or this implies y is equal to 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Hence, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 5. This is our answer. Right? Any doubt, any problem up to this step?
No, sir.
Okay.